Hello, my name is Alin, and I'm the owner of GoThru, GoThru.co, and that's a website that allows you to create constellation and publish them to Google Street View. Now, if you are a Matterport photographer, GoThru is very useful for you, and the reason is Matterport auto connects panoramas and actually over connects panorama. And on GoThru side we have lots of Matterport's photographers importing the tours in GoThru, cleaning up the links, and then publishing back to Google. Also, another scenario of using GoThru is importing, downloading the panoramas, fixing the stuff in the panorama, white balance and any other issues that you might have with the panoramas, and then uploading them back to GoThru and publish the tour to Google. To Google. So yeah, GoThru, come and visit us at GoThru, and you're gonna fall in love with us.